Welcome back to Retrobytes. Today, this Gateway GP6-400c. This thing, it's gross. It's disgusting. It's rusted out, it's filthy, and I think it belongs in the trash. So I'm kind of torn. Do I trash this thing? Do I try to restore it? I don't know. Either way, we're going to take it apart and see what it's got on the inside, because honestly, I don't really know what's inside.
Look, even this thing is filthy. Just disgusting. So it has onboard graphics, but it also had this card. It's a S3 Trio 64 with what looks like 1 megabyte of RAM and an option for another megabyte. I wonder what that 64 means. Probably 64-bit.
Alright, so on the front floppy drive, we got this DVD-ROM, which is nicely yellowed. This is not original. Date on it is 2005, so somebody added that later. And here, nice, a zip drive. I actually don't have any zip drives. This would be my first. Alright, all apart. Let's take a look at the motherboard, starting with the CPU. Looks like a Intel Celeron, 400 megahertz, 128 kilobytes, level 1 cache. That's not a bad CPU. I'll put it back in the slot for safekeeping. The North Bridge here, it's an Intel chipset. It says AGP set on it. There's this over here under the heatsink, which I wasn't sure what it was, but it turns out that this is the onboard GPU. I'm not sure what it is, but I bet it's better than the S3 that we pulled out earlier, which predates this machine by about 5 years. So yeah, North Bridge, GPU South Bridge. I really like this motherboard. Onboard sound looks like it might be good too. It's Creative branded. You can see where the ISO slot would have been. That's too bad. Oh well, at least we got good onboard sound. Here's the hard drive. Quantum Fireball, 6.8 gigabytes. Wonder if it works. Here's the network card, which at first I didn't think was era appropriate card because it was so small, but yeah, manufactured 1999. Keeping this one. Here's the Mitsumi floppy drive. Also don't know if this works, but it sure is dirty. And finally, the power supply, a 200 watt Aztec, which is a little rusty and dirty. Quite dirty, actually. Here's the 2 wires here. The red one's taped up. I did not do that, but that looks like something I'd do. Not sure what this goes to. Alright, viewers, I need your help. What should I do with this pile of retro parts? Should I rebuild the gateway? Should I just put these in my parts bins for future builds? I've got plenty of computers. It's not like I need this. Let me know what you guys think I should do with it. Leave a comment down below. Keep it? Scrap it? Is this thing trash or is it treasure? Thanks for watching Retro Bytes. I'll see you guys next week.